So hello friends, I am back after a long time in my channel Panky2903 Java in few minutes. So on public demand I decided to teach the concept of the collections framework, but I have to stop in between due to some problems. But now I promise that I am not going to stop and I am going to continue teaching until and unless I cover all the topics, not only in this particular topic but in the entire Java, especially which is introduced in the second year of BTech Computer Science and Engineering course. So before going to the new topics, let us revise what we have done till now in my previous two videos. So I already told you that the collections framework is comprised of two units as per the textbook. First, under the java.util package, and then under more utility package. So the java.util is nothing but it is a package. It is a package, and it is a package which contains collections framework, and which is nothing but a hierarchy of interfaces and classes which are called in simple language we can call that it is a group of objects, it is a group of real world existing thing, and interfaces means both interfaces and classes together, they are in under the category collections framework. Then we studied why collections means the purpose of using collections. What is the purpose? So the purpose is because it is having high performance, then it is highly efficient to implement, then it is very easy to adapt, then it is very easy to integrate, and it is having high degree of interoperability. So then we studied about the algorithms which provide means for manipulating collections, and then we studied about iterators to access the elements. Then we studied about the 5 types of collection interfaces. This is an important topic to be considered. First one is collection, second one is list, then queue, then set, then sorted set. Collection means collection interfaces. Collection means group of objects, means it deals with the group of objects. List work with or deal with the sequences. Queue, special type of list. Set, unique elements. And sorted set that handle means sorted set means ascending order, descending order. Set means unique elements, as you have studied in your mathematics also.